Okay, the roof deck is on. Solid 2x4s. I have not seen that before. And the only reason it is because it's salvaged or reclaimed lumber. So it was just me taking it apart and taking the nails out. And then cutting and using it. I even reused the nails. Which was great because they were blunt ended or blunt tipped because I had pounded them out once. I'm telling you, this is solid. My hemlock roofs, solid 1-inch hemlock are solid. Well, this is even solider. Yellow pine. Yeah, looks cool. So I'm ready to, I measured my metal pieces that was also reclaimed from a metal shed. So I had cut them in half, which was perfect because that's where the holes were. So I just put them at the top. Well, actually, you're not going to see them anyways. I cut right through the holes. They were right in line with half. And it should leave me about 1.5 inch overhang. Depending on how close I go here. Like, I don't really have to go that close because I need to cap this anyways. So I think the only question is, what do I do here? Now this roof here is going to come over, so we'll have a double, we'll have a slope onto this. But right there, I need to do something. So I think what I'll do is, actually I'm not sure what I'm going to do yet. Do I need to cut a piece, or do I just need to bend some aluminum, you know, some up and right here? I don't want stuff running in there either, so I really have to kind of fill this in across there. So I'm going to go get some boards and figure out what I'm going to do there. Maybe I can, yeah, I'm not sure. Maybe a couple tricky cuts, long cuts too. So either way, I'll figure it out. And then I want to start putting the tails on here. So looking good. But let's get this weathered in.